Morning, it's day one for the Macy's workshop program. I'm excited to meet some new people, learn as much as I can. Obviously, the main goal is to have solo Noir products in Macy's, but I think that's going to be so much greater than that. So I'm super excited about day one. Yesterday was awesome. I got a chance to explore the city. I went to a vegan restaurant twice. It was so good. A vegan festival and flea market, and just saw some amazing crystals. It was beautiful. It was just cool, kind of just like exploring the city with myself, and just being free and being able to create like my own memories for, just me, because as a mom it's difficult to create those individual memories. So yesterday was amazing. I'm looking forward to an amazing day one, and we'll see.
Hello, ladies.
Hello. We're in Macy's workshop.
Yeah. Where are we? I'm so excited to see.
This is so exciting.
It
like
is.
Our products at Macy's.
I know, right? Not on the same street. Not in the store that used to be
Girl,
Macy's. The actual store.
the biggest store. 1 million square feet store. Cute signs. Yeah, very competitive. I don't know. Do you want to? I don't know.
No, I do have to forget because usually like beer oil will only go for like $30. Like for average
We actually.
So I just did my pitch, and I think it was amazing. They were all in agreement that this is a white space. This is what they call it. This is a space that they need to service in their Macy's store in some capacity. I think I bagged this one. Obviously, I won't know until Friday if I won the grand prize, which is having a pop-up, being in the Macy's marketplace for a month in this location. But I think I did great. They were excited. They were all asking questions. They were all intrigued with my story, and I didn't get nervous. I just good morning. I am tired and my voice is shot. Recap of last night. Last night was awesome. I felt like I had finally gotten back to the place where I was before at Ava, and it was just amazing. Like, the energy was great. I felt confident. I felt confident in myself, confident in the brand. And it was just beautiful how everything turned out. Everybody was so welcoming of my products and saw a need. And I feel good about this. I definitely feel good. My goal is to win the grand prize. But if I don't, I feel like I've already won. Because I've won in my confidence in myself. And then I just won overall just being chosen. So yesterday was awesome. I'm looking forward to continuing the energy that I've welcomed in and looking forward. So recap, I did not win the pitch competition for the pop-up for a month, but I did win the opportunity to have solo Noir products on the Macy's platform. How excited! And we'll have a follow-up meeting with the buyers to possibly do product in store too. So I know for sure we got the online opportunity, and we're gonna wait to see if we got the in-store after the evaluations come in. So super excited! It's an awesome experience. I'm super proud of myself, and I'll keep you posted.